So I wanted to give you a quick look into this One Piece box set, volumes 1 through 23, in case you were thinking about buying it or buying it for your child who likes One Piece, so you could see what it's all about. As you can see, it has a nice little handle here. It's actually in a really sturdy box, and let's take a look inside it quick. The top has a Velcro that you just slide down, and there are all 23 books. This is the first book. It is a traditional Japanese manga, so it does open from the wrong side, or at least wrong in my opinion. Here's kind of a quick look at the artwork inside of it. If you're interested, if you haven't read any of the One Piece series. Now let's look at the back of the box just to kind of give you an idea of what it looks like. I really wanted to show you the back of the box because it has this amazing artwork on the box. Like I said, the travel handle is really nice. You hold on to it there. I love the Velcro. I mean, even look at the detailing on there. This is a great box series for any One Piece fan in your life.